too carried away because it's really pretty casual, right? Hey, Coach Joe of CrossFit Rhode University. Shout out to Luke doing the filming for me today. I just wanted to give you another mobilization that you can do at home on a regular basis because we need to be doing this consistently, right? Mobility is a practice. You build on previous work if you really want to improve. So I just call this yoga shoulders. I learned it from Holly, our yoga instructor here. It's great to do like after just about any workout. It just takes the shoulder through maximum range of motion with very little work. So you're like loosening up the entire joint. You start out on one side. Try to find 90 degrees at your knees and your hip, and then have your arms both stretched to one side. You're going to reach across, getting as much space between your shoulder blades as you can, and then gently you're just dragging your arm over, rotating through the spine, and reaching out as far as you can. You're going to repeat that 4 times, and then from this same start position, you're going to drop your arm down, swing it around, opening up again, rotating in the spine, reach all the way up overhead, stay away from the wall, all the way overhead, rolling around. And again, you're just letting your arm go slack. It may not be on the ground. You may be off the ground a little bit, but we don't want a lot of work happening in the arm. We just want movement. So you'll go around 4 times in that direction, and then we'll go 4 times in the other direction. Again, think about shoulder position, but try not to be working. Try to keep it really light, just smooth, slow movement. And then after that, you're going to keep your arms straight, a little more muscle engagement, opening up and closing with your arms straight 4 times. So those are the moves. You're going to repeat them on each side. And if you got it, great. If you want to keep watching, I'm going to do a full rotation on one side so you can see how this actually goes. And repeat on the other side. And repeat every day. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in the gym. Have a good day.